Hi, welcome to the Coffee Chat Show here on Buzzing Pattaya, the show where we talk about things that are happening right here, right now, as well as general news, tips, information and advice. And I am delighted. Joining me, what's it been, 2 years?
Yeah.
Must be close.
Yeah, close.
Must be close. But joining me is the lovely Nana. How are you, sweetheart?
I'm well, how are you doing?
Oh, good. How's Trenchtown? You've been in Trenchtown? She goes to Cybercow Trenchtown. Yeah, so I know all your secrets, don't worry. Now, last time we spoke about COVID.
COVID insurance.
Yeah, and a lot's changed since then, hasn't it?
Yes.
She's even got a list of, what's all your list about? Really?
Don't tell everyone
Well,
that.
she's got a whole list. Have you got anything for me?
Yeah, of course.
You got one for me?
Prepare for everything.
Brilliant. Now listen guys, all jokes aside, this is going to be a really invaluable, very important video. It's all about healthcare insurance and lots of stuff that you need to know about. And talk about, be prepared. No. All right, Trevor,
That's
sit
right.
up, back straight, face the camera. Really?
Action.
Action, camera action. Right, okay, now. Let's see. You've changed so much.
Of course.
Yeah, so much. So, come on then. Talking about there, you've got all these different insurances. I mean, what's all the insurances about? Talk to me about them.
Well, before we just do COVID insurance.
That's right, yeah.
Now we do car, motorbike, health, worldwide.
Health?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm interested in health. Tell me a bit more about health. So I'm an aging old man that desperately needs some cover. Can you help me out?
Yes, of course.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of health insurance do you offer?
Well, we offer Pacific Cross health insurance.
Yeah.
Before we deal with many health insurance, but now we just choose Pacific Cross
Okay.
because it's helped us a lot as well and help our customer as well.
And in terms of like health insurance, what do you actually cover? How does it work?
We had an inpatient, outpatient.
Yeah.
Yes. Inpatient is like if you require to stay in hospital overnight.
Yeah.
It all depend to hospital and doctors.
Yeah.
They cover for rooms, nurse, medical.
Stop down like that.
Doctors.
I think you're going to whack me in a minute. So you cover inpatient and outpatient?
Yes.
And in terms of like the range of financial cover, what kind of financial cover do you offer? Like starting from sort of like from $1 million up to like say 30, 50, how?
Well, we have 3 plans: standard, premier, and ultima.
Okay.
It all depends to which plan you take.
Okay. So
Yes.
you're covering inpatient, you're covering outpatient. I'm guessing that the insurance covers all like major illnesses and things that we'd hopefully not need, but if it happened, you can provide the cover for that as well.
Yes, of course.
All right. So guys, if you are looking for medical insurance, please get in touch with Nana. The COVID. Do you still do the COVID insurance? Is that
Yes.
still a thing? Is it
Of
really?
course, yeah, of
Yeah. So the COVID insurance. I know a lot of people came to you for COVID.
Yeah, we still do COVID insurance, but we have a lot of things change of that as well.
Okay. In what way? What's changed for that?
Before we deal with Alliance, but now we deal with American company, some
okay.
Chubb insurance.
Yeah.
Yeah, the new thing is Alliance covered for 5 million. Now Chubb is covered for 10 million baht, or it's like 300,000 USD.
Wow. That's
Yes.
a lot of money. Yeah.
And just say we had a bit of problem before, like
Okay.
Alliance
changed for
is-
the better reasons.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course, everything is better. That's why we select Chubb insurance.
Cool.
Before France Alliance from France, right?
Keep waving that around. You're like a conductor in an orchestra. See, mine's nice and still. Right,
And
go on, yeah.
claims department is
Yeah.
in France, so it's difficult for Thai people, Thai hospital, to contact them because it's all timing is different.
Right. Yeah. Understand.
But now Chubb Insurance, we have claim department in Bangkok, so
Right.
it's easy for them to contact them 24 hours.
Oh, I
so
see.
if everyone's need, sorry,
That's okay.
is if customers need to contact them,
Yeah.
you can call them 24 hour for that.
Brilliant. So 24-hour
Yes.
contact availability, which is good. And I'm guessing that will sort of coincide with like what you do with your health cover in terms
Yeah.
of you'll have an instant contact you can contact once you need things, if you need support or questions or advice, things like that. One you've got down here as well is worldwide travel. Is that like traveling from Thailand around the world or from around the world to Thailand? How does that work?
You can take from like England to Thailand, Thailand to England, or everywhere is a worldwide. Yes.
And what does that cover?
Um,
Is that like loss of luggage and things like that? Or
yes,
sickness,
accident, sickness, everything as well. But
Wow.
we got inpatient and outpatient as well.
Okay.
Same like health, but same but different.
Same but different. I've never heard that before. I've only been in Thailand 11 years. Same but different. I mean, in respect to the insurance, so one of the questions I get asked a lot, and I always refer them back to you guys, is what's really is the critical age where things start to make a massive difference? So, you know, when you're younger, when you're like 30 or 40, 50, you think, oh, I'm Superman, I don't need any insurance. I mean, what kind of age does it really make a difference in terms of the premiums? So like if I'm, say, 45 or 50, maybe my premiums would be relatively the same. But if I'm like 60, you're going to say to me, Trevor, you should have done this a long time ago. I mean, what's the kind of age gap that people really should seriously, if they haven't already, seriously consider insurance?
Well, I think it's not depend on age.
Okay.
Because no one's know what's gonna happen tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
And but I think better good age, yeah, maybe over 30.
What about 56?
Of course you can.
You had to say that, didn't you? Damn, I was trying then. Okay, obviously, I mean, I know you've got other insurances coming up, which what I'll do, guys, I'll put a link, because you've got a new website, haven't you?
Yes, of course.
I had a look at it today. It looks really smart.
Wow.
Did you design it?
No, our IT
Okay, well, it
people.
does look nice, though. But what I'll do, guys...
If I design, I'm gonna put my picture on there. But I
That's
can't.
a good point, yeah. Why? We have to have a word with the boss. Why does he not put your picture on there? You're far more attractive than he is. But what I will do, guys, I'll put the link to the insurance, to their new website. Have a look through it. It's a really, really comprehensive list of services and insurances that are available. On the Travelling Worldwide, so you're saying now that you use Chubb Insurance Company?
Yes, it's a new company. We can use that for worldwide and for Thailand insurance as well.
Okay, and what was the particular reason you chose them? Is it they give a much better service, a comprehensive selection?
Just as I told you, it's a good cover, and you can contact them 24 hours, or you can contact me or our team.
Mm-hmm. And don't forget, guys, as well, you can connect with Nano on our Discord. If you're on our Discord, we have an actual platform there just for Nano where she'll happily answer all your questions. And you've been busy on there, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah, you're not happy with that, are you, really? Because you get
really
message after message after message.
Sometimes you message me, I say, oh, no.
Yeah,
I'm
you
busy.
ignore me. How does that work? New contact details in your office?
Yes. We got line, we got WhatsApp, we got QR code and Discord.
Yeah.
And contact number, so everything's on website, so you can contact me direct from there.
And have you got any specific times that you work between?
10 to 7.
10 till 7, okay.
Thailand time, please.
Thai time, so what's that, 11 till 4?
I'm not sure
10
about
till 7 in the European time is actually 10 till 7. Is 10 till 7 in Thailand, like say maybe 11 till 4, something like that?
I'm not sure about that.
You're not sure about that one? Okay, brilliant. On the health cover here, on your list here, it says IPD and OPD, which is inpatient and outpatient. Dealing with lots of company-specific costs, up to 75. Now that's interesting. So if you're 74 and you take out insurance, I know probably you're going to pay a premium for it. But if you take out that insurance at 74, do they stop it at 75 or can you continue because you took it out before you were 75?
Well, you can continue.
You can?
Up to 75, yeah. And if you like 76, 77, me and my team can help you to get insurance as well.
Oh, you can still do that?
Yes.
So even if you're over the 75 age that you mentioned here, you can still get insurance?
Yes.
Well,
and Pacific Cross, they accept people if they got pre-X condition.
Okay.
But they might not cover for that, but we can help them because many insurance companies they not cover. They don't accept. Like if you got diabetes, no, sorry like that. But Pacific Cross they do.
So they'll take diabetes and stuff like that.
Yeah, they accept, but they not cover for that.
But they won't cover.
Yeah.
A question I'd like to ask you, Nan, and I mean I'm sure when I talk to the guys here on the channel, you know, when they say to you, have you got any pre-existing conditions or any stuff like that? I mean, maybe some people might forget, maybe, I suppose. I mean, realistically speaking, what is the procedure when you go through the application? I mean, how detailed do you need to be about what you've had in the past? Is it only if you've had to go and take medical advice or you've been in hospital, or is it just your own feeling? Like say, I don't know, say I had a really bad asthma attack or something, or I had a really bad chest infection, but I thought, well, I didn't go to hospital. Do I need to declare stuff like that? Or is it better just to leave it, or you've got to say this?
Well, if you think you're really bad, I think you should go to hospital.
You're like my mother. My mum tells me that. Get to hospital, son.
Get to hospital, yes, of course.
Okay, and in terms of precondition and like pre-existing illnesses, I mean, how much leeway do these insurance companies give in terms of trying to help you if it comes back again? Because surely the whole object of having insurance is to protect you moving forwards, whereas if you've got a pre-existing condition, does some of them say, well, we'll look at it and we'll consider if we can help you? Do they try and give you a bit more support?
Yes, they're going to give you more support. The thing is, if you are over 65, yeah, they
Yeah.
might ask you for medical reports and
Okay,
everything.
yeah.
We can book hospital or like international hospital for
Yeah.
you like that. You have to go, and we can send you example because we got many customers, they don't understand which report we need, and yeah.
Right, I'm with you.
We can give you example, like all details we got. You can show them.
Yeah.
We need like this, yes, and then send it to us. It take 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks we come back to you that yes, you got approved for that. Then we send you the form to fill everything and for sign.
Okay. One of the questions I'm always asked as well about is there's always a concern about money, in terms of if I go to hospital, we know the horror stories where people have gone to hospital and they have to pay up front and they have to pay the money, and maybe they're not awake, or the people that are helping them don't know what their financial status is like. How does your insurance company cover that, in terms of, do I have to pay everything up front, or do you take care of me and then we worry about the money afterwards?
But for inpatient, you don't need to pay anything.
Okay.
They pay for you everything, but something maybe you need to pay if it's more than your policy covered you. Just say your policy cover for 1 million baht, and
Yeah.
if it's more, maybe you might.
You'd have to pay the
yes.
excess.
And outpatient is depend on how much they cover you for a day.
Oh, I'm with you. Okay.
For a
So
day.
inpatient, generally speaking, you're covered up until the value of your policy.
Yes.
Okay, and then anything over and above that, you would then be expected to pay that, which is fair, I guess. Is there an excess? Is there generally like an excess that you have to pay the first like 5,000 or 10,000? Is there an excess involved?
Well, for inpatient, you don't need to pay that.
Okay.
But for outpatient, as I told you, it's all depend on policy, which cover you take, like 500,000 to 1 million.
Okay.
And sometime hospital they ask for deposit,
Right.
and maybe they give it to you back, or maybe they're not. It's
Okay.
all depend on hospitals.
Okay. A question I'd like to ask you, please, Nana, and it's something that I think a lot of people, like myself included, we're not really sure about, is, in your experience, obviously you've dealt with thousands of claims, you've helped thousands of people. In your experience, what do you think is the balanced right amount of cover that someone should take? Because, I look at 1 million, 2 million, 3, I don't know what the cost of these accidents or the treatment that you're going to receive should you need it. I don't really know what the costs are. I mean, is there kind of a level where you say to yourself, do you know what, you should be looking at like 2 million or 5 million? What, in your experience, is the best kind of level?
Well, everyone's know international hospital in Thailand is quite expensive.
Yeah, yeah.
And if you overstay in hospital like 5 days, 6 days, it's already cost you like 200,000, 300,000.
Wow. Okay.
And just say if you got bad accident and you need to stay there for a month. So I think better if you take more than 5 million baht, or
Okay.
3 million or 4 million, but ours is 10 million, so I think that's enough for us.
Yours is 10 million. Wow. So if you're
That's
talking
for,
about...
yes,
Go on,
10 million.
10
That's
million.
for worldwide travel insurance,
Yeah.
and Thailand travel insurance, 10 million.
Right, so if you have an accident and you're covered in this policy, you're covered up to at least 10 million, which
Yes.
in your experience, that's
But
a very
for
large
health
amount.
insurance, it all depends which cover you take, which policy, which plan you take.
Yeah.
Is standard, premium, ultimate.
Okay, well guys, if you're thinking about this kind of situation and you want to find out more, please get in touch with Nana, because like I say, it's 3 different plans, 10 million. That's good. That's good. I mean, that really is. And like you said, and it's really a valid point here. When you go to the international hospitals here, ka-ching,
Money.
ka-ching, ka-ching. It
No
really,
money, no honey.
Well, about no money, no money, no money, no breather. That's it. You're done. And how do people apply?
They can go direct on website,
Right.
or they can email me or my team, so we can help them.
Okay, and on the website, that's like a standard form that you just fill in?
Yeah, you can
disclose
fill the
anything
form,
you need,
yes.
and then okay. So a question I'd like to ask you then, Nana, is if someone looks at the policy online and they send you in the form, they say, yeah, I'm happy with the premium, I'm happy with what you're going to cover me with. In terms of from the minute I say yes, I'm ready to go, how long does it take before your policy is in place and you're protected?
Well, it takes 7 to 14 days.
Okay, 7 to 14 days.
Yes.
And then once that period is done, that's it. Then you're covered.
Yeah, you're covered, and it takes like maybe 15 to 30 days because a company then need to send the policy
Okay.
and card to you, to your
Yeah.
address.
Yeah.
But before that, we're gonna send you a copy for card and policy. So if you need to go hospital, you just show them your card number.
And you've also got that helpline as well,
Yes.
so you can just call that up as well.
Yeah.
Okay. And in terms of taking out the policy, one of the things that I remember, and I don't know if this applies to you, so forgive me if I got this wrong, but I know like in the UK when you used to take out health, you had a certain amount of time before you could actually claim. So like if you took a policy out, you might have to wait the first 30 days or 90 days before you could actually claim for anything. Is that similar here, or is that just when you're covered straight away?
Well, you cover straight away. They deal
Okay.
direct with hospital.
Okay, so there's
Yeah,
no
but-
waiting period or anything like that?
No waiting
You just
period.
take it out, fill out your form, say, yep, there you go, I'm covered. And if you were unlucky enough, say within a week or whatever, a month to have something happen.
But maybe for outpatient, sometimes you need to pay, and you
Okay.
can claim it back, and it take 15 days or something.
Okay, but yeah, I'm not, the money side, I get that. I'm just thinking about if you take out the insurance policy and God forbid something went wrong maybe the following week and you were ill, is there any calling off period in the policy that says, well, sorry, we don't cover you for the first 30 days or the first 90 days? I think what I'm trying to say to you is if someone knew that they were quite ill but they hadn't been to hospital and they try and sneak one under your radar.
No, it's on your policy and your card. What day they start
Okay.
covered you.
There you go, brilliant, happy days. All right, what else we got? And you're assigned a personal, well, I'm glad you've only got one side. You're assigned a personal agent. How does that work? A personal agent for your health cover. Is that you?
Me and my team.
You and your team,
Yes.
brilliant. All right, so is there anything else you want to talk about? Have I been a good boy and done on my list? Are you sure? Is that it? We've done it. We've got all your contact. We'll talk about contact in a minute. We've done all your travel or worldwide insurance. I know you've got some new, we're not going to talk about it today, guys, but there is some really significant insurance changes coming up in the very near future. Have a look on Discord because Nana can drop the links into Discord for you. You can click the link. I won't go into too much detail, but there's some really good stuff about hiring motorbikes. We'll leave that there, but that's coming out
coming
soon.
soon. Yeah,
Look
coming
at a
soon.
smile on her face. Like, yep, that one's out. I'll tell you what, out here with motorbikes,
I'm looking forward for that, but soon.
I think I might have to get in touch with you.
Yeah, of course.
Have you seen the driving out there? It's terrible, isn't it? It really is bad. All right, brilliant. So is there anything else you want to say? We covered everything?
We covered everything.
You
We covered
sure?
you. Yes.
Sure that you're sure? All right, brilliant. All right, well, listen, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much. Guys, you know, if you want any kind of insurance cover, you know, I've been working with Nana and Jay now for, how long now? 2 years?
No, 3.
3? Is it really?
3 years.
Damn, I'm getting old. God damn.
Me too.
And you too. The difference is you don't age. I look terrible now. That was your cue to say, Trevor, you don't look any different.
No, you don't.
You're such a liar.
You just got married?
No, this is my good luck stuff. This is for good luck. This is my Nan in the village. She gives me good luck, bless her. Nan, if you're watching, love you to bits. Right, okay. So, guys, what I'll do is please have a look on Discord. Nana's very, very active on there. Jay's also on there as well, which is Nana's boss. Have a look on Discord because they'll answer all the stuff for you there. I will put in the description, if you scroll down in the description of this video, I'll put all the contact details, all the stuff that you need to get in touch with Nana and to get in touch with the company and find out more about everything you need to know about for your health insurance and otherwise travel insurance, all the things that you need. And it doesn't cost you anything to ask, okay? The worst case scenario is I say, sorry, we can't help you. Best case scenario is, job's a good one and Nana's got you there in her team, written down, stamped. That's it, isn't it? We're done.
Yes.
You going to Tree Town now, Trench Town?
No. The last thing I want to say, if anyone wants to see and meet for like, I understand many people, they don't know how to apply on website. If they want to
Great,
meet
yeah.
me and my boss in Pattaya or Bangkok or Phuket, they can contact us direct.
That's a really good point as well because there are, even myself, I've got to be honest with you, it's not that I don't know how to use the forms, I just hate them. So it'd be nice to be able to come down, have a personal touch and sit down with Jay and with Nana, go through what it is you're looking for, and I'm sure you'll be in very safe hands. All right, Nana, thank you so much.
Thank you
It's
very
been a
much.
pleasure as always. Sneak out into Soybecow Trench Town. That's where you'll see Nana. Well, that's where I saw you before.
So many people owe me beer.
Yeah. Oh, they owe you a beer, do you? You mean people said they'll buy you a beer and they don't turn up?
Never turn
Shame
up.
on you guys. Come on, shame on you. All right, that's it from me. That's it from Nana. Thank you so much indeed for watching, guys. As always, please remember, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon if you'd like to be notified when we bring out a new video. Have a look on Discord. Like I say, Nana and Jay are both on there. You can ask all your questions in there. Jump on there. There's a link in the description below. Come and check them out and come and get in touch, guys. You're in safe hands. All right, that's it from me. That's it from Nana. Thank you very much indeed for watching. And as always, please, wherever you are in the world, stay safe.